Okay, now we're going to take some basic steps from salsa and put them into a little combination that you can practice. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's get back into our basic just to remember what we're doing. Ready? We're forward on our left, back on our right. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Nice. Let's remember our side basic. Ready? Side and close, side and close. Good. Keep going because we're going to change this up a little bit. Ready? Slow it down. We go out and cross. So now you're crossing your left leg in front of your right. Side and cross, side and cross, side and cross. Speed it up. Side and cross, side and cross, side and cross, side and cross. Good. Forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, side and cross. Good. Try that again. One basic, one side and cross. Forward, close, back, to the side, side and cross. Do that again. Let's speed it up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, side and cross. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Susie Q, new step. You take your left leg, cross it in front, move your right leg a little, and cross again. So 2 crosses in front. Bring it around, cross and cross. Left leg comes around, cross and cross. Up, cross and cross. Tiny steps. When I'm crossing, again, I'm keeping my feet under me. I'm not taking big steps. So you're not traveling like this, right? Cross and cross. Cross, baby step, cross. And notice I'm on the balls of my feet. My heels are never touching, right? On my toes the whole time. 6, 7. So let's try that. Ready? Left leg goes cross and cross, switch, cross and cross, switch, cross and cross, cross and cross. Speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good. That's your Susie cue. Come back to your basic. Slow it down. One basic. 5, 6, side and cross. Side and cross. Susie cue. Basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. Bring it around. Susie cue. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. Susie cue. Let's speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. Susie cue. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. 1, 2, 3. Side and cross. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross. Susie cue. Now we're going to go over turning. This step is called half and half, but we're only doing the first half of the half and half. Okay? You're going to step forward on your left, turn 1 half to your right, and step on your right. Yes? Take your Susie cue again with your right leg and Susie cue. Step forward on your left, make a half turn to your right, close your feet, and then Susie cue with your right again. Yes? That one's a little bit more tricky as soon as you're turning around. So forward on your left, half turn, close your feet. Susie cue with your right. Forward on your left, make a half turn, close your feet. Susie cue with your right foot. Let's try that again. Step forward, turn, step. Susie cue. Forward, left, turn, step. Susie cue. Again, forward, turn, step. Susie cue. Forward, turn, step. Susie cue. Again, left, turn, close. Susie Q. Left foot forward, turn, close. Susie Q. Okay, now we're gonna put that all together. Ready? Let's try it slow, then we'll speed it up. We start with our basic, left coming forward. 5, 6, nice and slow. Forward and close, back and close to the side. Side and cross. Susie Q. Forward, left, turn and close. Susie Q. Again, forward, left, turn. Susie Q. Again, basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 to the side and cross. Susie Q. Left comes forward, turn, close. Susie Q. Again, forward, turn, step. Susie Q. All right, let's speed it up. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side and cross, Susie Q. Forward, turn, step, Susie Q. Forward, turn, step, Susie Q. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. One more time, go. 1. Cross, turn. 2, 3, 5, 6, turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good job, you guys. Keep practicing.